Okay, this is out of Morro Bay today. What a beautiful day it turned out to be here on the Central Coast. Morro Bay cracked 80 again today. All right, we're not nearly that warm right now. San Luis Obispo 67, 64 Santa Maria, 66 in Paso, 67 in Lompoc, 65 in Santa Barbara. The winds currently under 15 miles per hour, varying in terms of direction here, but mostly onshore at the coast. 73 at Pismo, 79 Santa Ynez, Cal Poly 83, 73 at Goleta, Morro Bay 83 again. That offshore overnight in that Highway 41 corridor there out by the harbor as well. It all just kind of sinks and compresses, warms up. Paso cool 28 this morning, 77 the high. 82 in San Luis today, 80 Santa Maria, and 78 in Lompoc. Hourly forecast for Paso Robles tomorrow. Guess what? Another day very similar, starting right around freezing as we get going and back up into the mid to upper 70s in the afternoon. Santa Maria temperature near 80 degrees at noon and 1 o'clock, but then the winds turn back around and come back down. It won't be that windy tomorrow around the Central Coast. San Luis Obispo, you're looking at a daytime high around 82 degrees right around noon. Afternoon winds about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Here's what's going on. High clouds continue to kind of encroach the area here. There's a weak area of low pressure and warm front just off to our west. High pressure is still here. It's just not producing Santa Ana style winds across Southern California. The red flag warnings have dropped. The wind warnings have dropped as well. This is just a look at some of the clouds that's kind of creeping in here, but this isn't rain, at least not right now. Microclimate forecast looks like this. Just some high clouds over the area through the overnight and early tomorrow. What we're watching for is the significant return of the marine layer. Doesn't really happen on Friday, but by Saturday, it's back out there again. That's good news. It's going to raise the relative humidity. Extended forecast. The computer models are still wrestling with this holiday week rain opportunity. It's a big deal because of all the new burn scars. If the rain comes down too quickly, it could be a localized problem. Not much going on through the weekend. Area of low pressure starts cutting off the coastline, drifts in as we get into Tuesday. We could see some sprinkles early next week. I don't think that's a significant factor. It's what happens on Wednesday and Thursday. This low could be fairly powerful. Prior models had it right on top of us for Thursday and Friday, but the current outlook keeps it kind of off the coast until we get into the weekend and then sweeps that rain system through the area. So this is not going to be that impressive. Looking at potential rainfall through late next week of 0.05 of an inch. However, models have estimated up to an inch, and the output continues to change. I think the thing we really need to concentrate on here is that we are talking about a return to potential rain next week. The details we still have to suss out a bit. But until then, ridge of high pressure, we still have another warm day or two ahead before we start to feel some of these changes. So upper 70s, low 80s in this forecast here. Santa Ynez Valley, low 80s, 70s in the Cuyama Valley. In the 5 cities, 69 Pismo, 78 AG, North Coast 70 Morro Bay, 77 San Miguel. 5-day forecast trend is down once we get to the weekend. You can see that friend of ours, the marine layer, is back. And again, the rain opportunities shift further into next week. Kathy, Richard, back to you.